Hi student, today we are going to see Social of Standard 5th from Term 2. The lesson we are going to discuss is Continent of the World. In this lesson, let us see the historical places of the many countries. Come, let us move to the video session.
Social Unit 3 Continents of the World. Let us see the introduction about the continents of the world. You all know where do we live? Yes, we all live on the earth. Earth is our home. The total land of the earth is formed of 7 continents. There are 7 continents in our earth. There may be in various size. Some are connected to each other while others are not. Each continent has different number of countries. There are many countries are there in the continent. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Can you see the world map? Yes. First one, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica and Australia. The first continent we are going to discuss is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in size as well as in population. It is the largest continent among the 7. The world's 2 populous countries are India and China. The world population countries are India and China, which is there in Asian continent. We are all in Asian continent. The Mount Everest, which is in Himalayas, is the highest point on the earth. It is the highest mountain in Asian continent. It is a place birth of great Asian civilization. Asia is a place birth for ancient civilization. Ancient means it is in the early period. That is Indus civilization, Chinese civilization and Mesopotamian civilization. The first one we are going to see Himalayas. In Himalayas, the Mount Everest is present. Mount Everest is the highest peak on the earth. Next one is a Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure that can be seen from the space. It is made up of man-made, that is human being. It can be seen from the space. If you are in the space, you can see the Great Wall of China from the space. Millions of years ago, the 7 continents of the world were joined together to form a single huge landmass called Pangaea. In the olden days, they were all together, that is called as Pangaea. Nowadays, slowly, what happened? It broke apart and separated as 7 continents. We have already seen what are the 7 continents. Let us see some countries in Asian continent, that are Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Maldives, Philippines, Afghanistan, Thailand and Indonesia. These are the country which is there in Asian continent. Next we are going to see about our country India. India is our country. India is known for the land of unity in diversity. That means the country which is known for unity. The people will live together as a unity. As the people different from religions like Hindu, Muslim, Christianity, and also from languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannadam, Malayalam, etc. The cultural also will differ from each other. but the people will live together. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of India. That means the Delhi is the capital of India. In India, we have several historical monuments. The place which is so famous is Taj Mahal because it is one of the 7 wonders of the world, which is situated in Agra near bank of river Yamuna. It is fully built by using white marbles. It is the most beautiful monuments and it has been recognized as 7 wonders of the world. In India, we have other such historical monuments like India Gate, which is there in Delhi, Gateway of India in Mumbai, St. Fort George, and Gangaikonda Solapuram in Tamil Nadu. These are the historical monuments in India. Next, let us see the second largest continent in the world, that is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. In Africa, we have longest river called Nile River and largest desert called Sahara. Both were in Africa continent. More than 50% of the world golds and diamonds were come from the mineral rich continent, that is from Africa. Some other countries in Africa continent are Sudan, Libya, Egypt, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia and Guinea. In Egypt we have a pyramids. Pyramids is a tomb for queen. It is also called as dark continent because it is unfit for the habitation. So it is called as a dark continent. North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. North America is entirely within northern hemisphere. In North America, we have a largest freshwater lake. That is, Lake Superior is also located in this continent. The Mississippi, that is Missouri, is one of the longest river located in North America. The United States of America, that is USA, is also a part of North America. In New York, that is in USA, we have a Statue of Liberty. Let us see in North America some other countries. Canada, Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, Cuba, Guatemala, Panama and Costa Rica. In Cuba, it is only a small country, but we have many doctors and many therapists. During Corona time, they were help for Indians. It is the name of country Cuba, which we can see in the right side. The next one is Mexico. In Mexico, we have such a wonderful buildings and many other apartments. In North America is also a continent that has all climatic types. South America. South America is located mostly in the southern hemisphere, but only a small part of the portion is found in northern hemisphere. In South America, we have a largest river, that is second longest river, which is the Amazon River, is found in South America. Brazil is a country which is there in South America, is the largest coffee producer in the world. It is the only country which produce coffee producer mostly, that is large amount of coffee producer is present in the Brazil country. The Andes is one of the longest mountain range which is there in South America. Andes is example for fold mountain. It looks like a folded, so it is called as fold mountain. Mount Anahona is the highest peak in the Andes. It is one of the highest volcanoes of the world. You all know volcano. Yes, it is the which comes from the mountain fire. Yes, Mount Topopaxi is also found in the South America. The Amazon forest. You all know Amazon forest. It is a rainforest which covers most of the rain will be come from the Amazon forest. That is, most of the rain will be formed because of the Amazon forest because it is the biggest forest in the South America. In South America, we can see the mountain that is Andes and Cotopaxi. You can see the two picture which looks like a mountain. It is a which has a highest range mountain. Mostly it is covered with the snow and it will be called as a fold mountain because it will be like a folded shape. So it is called as a fold mountain. In South America we have many countries that is Argentina, Brazil, Bolivia, Colombia, Honduras, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay and Venezuela. These are the country which is there in South America. Yes. Now we all know what are the countries present in South America. These are the two mountains is so famous in South America. Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent on the earth. It is so cold and it is one of the coldest continent in the earth. It is also called as a white continent. That is, because of the snow, it is called as a white continent or frozen continent because the snow will be covered fully. So it is called as frozen continent. If it is freezed, we will say it as frozen. So it is called as frozen continent. Antarctica experience half a year of sunlight and half a year of complete darkness. Half a year, that is 6 months there will be a sunlight, the next 6 months there will be full of darkness. Penguins are mostly found in Antarctica because they will be found only in the colder region. They are only permanent research station from different countries can be found there. There in Antarctica we can find many permanent research places, that is many research station will be found in different countries. The most famous animal is that is penguin which is found in Antarctica. It will found mostly in Antarctica. It is one of the most lovable birds. Next we are going to see about Europe. Europe and Asia are the part of same major landmass because Asian continent and Europe is a major landmass. Europe is separated from Asia by a rural mountain and Caspian Sea. So it is separated as a separate continent, that is Europe. The smallest country, that is Vatican City, which is there in Europe. The Volga is the longest river which is there in Europe. Vatican City means it is the very smallest country in the world, that is called Vatican City. It is found in Europe continent. And some more important information about Europe. Finland, which is there in Europe, it is called as land of lakes. It is also called as land of lakes because melting of ice sheets have created a lot of lakes there. There will be more and more melting ice sheets, means the snowfalls. That is, more of ice sheets will be created and they have formed a lot of lakes. So it is called a land of lakes, which is there in Finland, that is Europe. Let us see some of the countries in the European continent. France, Spain, United Kingdom, Germany, Norway, Austria, Greece, Spain, Portugal and Italy. We already know Vatican City is the smallest city which is there in Europe, that is which is there in Italy, and the London which is there in the Europe continent, that is England. Is these countries is famous for football. Let us know some important facts about Europe. Russia, the country which stretches over the vast expanse of Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. It is a vast expanse, that is means very large. Ukraine steppe region is called a bread basket of Europe. It is called as bread basket of Europe, that is Ukraine steppe region, which produce large amount of wheat. From there only we are getting large amount of wheat. With the help of wheat product only we are getting a baked items, that is bread items. We all know which state is called as bread basket of India. Australia. Australia is an island continent which is covered with a unique landscape. Unique means it is very special. And natural wonders. We all know wonders, the 7 wonders of the world. The Great Barrier Reef, that is the pride and joy for the Australia continent, is made up of nearly 2,500 individual reefs, which can be seen visibly from the space. If you are there in the space, you can see the reef which is there under the sea. Australia includes the islands of Tasmania and numerous small islands. The Great Barrier Reef has been shown in the figure, and the kangaroo is the national animal for Australia. Students think that it is correct to pollute our rivers? No, it is not correct to pollute the rivers because it only gives us a fresh water. From the river, lake only we are getting the water for drinking purpose. So, we should keep all our surroundings neat and clean. I hope you all understood about the lesson, the continents of the world. Thank you, students.